Hi, here's my little mini video tutorial about a feature on Google Docs that I use and you may use as well. It is version history. So I'm in my Drive. I I've opened a folder on a text that I haven't taught in a couple years, which is Hamlet, and I'm going to open this document because I know I've revised it. If it's a Hamlet essay, I know that it's gone through a few different revisions. Um, Here's something from February 15th, 2017. Waiting for it to load. See, the last edit I made was February 14th, 2017. I'm going to move this here and I can click File. Wait, why am I getting, oh, how move me? File, version history. See version history. Now, I'm going to move this. On the right side, look at all the different versions of this document I made. Well, in 2014, I started writing this document. That was all I did. February 2015, this is what I changed. And then for later in February 2015, oh, I remembered to write these other things. February 2016, I made some more changes. And then February 2017, I added all of the prompts that I wanted them to choose from that year. It's very, very helpful. If you deleted things, if you deleted something in a Google Doc, you never really deleted it. You can always go back. You can click on a former version of the document and you have this option, which isn't in frame right now. Hang on. It says restore this version. You can restore an old version of the document if there's something you want to maybe cut and paste, copy and paste from it, and then go back to what was the most recent version of the document. Like for in my case, it would have been February 2017, and paste something from February 2016 back into it. Um, I use it constantly on assignments that I write to see what I've done over the years. If I'm not really happy with the way an assignment looks that I've used before, I use it mostly though in your work. If I sent it back to you for corrections, I pretty much just look at the version history to just check that you did those corrections. If I sent it back for revisions, I go into version history to look for the revisions. So for my first period, I just had you do revisions and you didn't, all I said was just put it in the same document. This is why. It's because I didn't need you to do anything to indicate what your edits or revisions were. I have access to it because Google Docs gives that to me. It's very helpful. You guys should all use it for your own work and ask me any questions if you have them. Thanks.